As a consumer of HSP Speech Pathology home care services, you are entitled to receive notification of the following rights, both orally and in writing. You have the right to exercise the following rights without retribution or retaliation from agency staff. You have the right to receive written information concerning the agency's policies on advanced directives, including a description of applicable state law. You have the right to receive information about the care and services to be furnished, the disciplines that will furnish care, the frequency of proposed visits in advance, and receive information about any changes in the care and services to be furnished. You have the right to receive care and services from the agency without discrimination based upon personal, cultural, or ethnic preference, disabilities, or whether you have formulated an advance directive. You have the right to authorize a representative to exercise your rights as a consumer of home care. You have the right to be informed of the full name, licensure status, staff position, and employer of all persons supplying, staffing, or supervising the care and services you receive. You have the right to be informed and participate in the planning, care, and services and receive care and services from staff who are properly trained and competent to perform their duties. You have the right to refuse treatment within the confines of the law and be informed of the consequences of such action. You have the right to participate in experimental research only upon your voluntary written consent. You have the right to have your property be treated with respect and for you to be treated with respect and be free from neglect, financial exploitation, verbal, physical, and psychological abuse, including humiliation, intimidation, or punishment. You have the right to be free from involuntary confinement from physical or chemical restraints. You have the right to be ensured of the confidentiality of all your records, communications, and personal information, and be informed of the agency's policies and procedures regarding disclosure of clinical information and records. You have the right to express complaints verbally or in writing about services or care that is or is not furnished, or about the lack of respect for your person or property by anyone who is furnishing services on behalf of the agency. If you believe your rights have been violated, you may contact the agency directly, HSP Speech Pathology, Brenda Hoxma, me as the administrator, at 303-919-6799. You may also file a complaint, ask questions about an agency, or discuss questions or concerns about advance directives and how they are handled by the agency with the Health Facilities and Emergency Medical Services Division of the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment via mail or telephone. That phone number is 303-692-2910.